Hi, we're Supply and Demand, and today we're going to be replacing a few parts on the Samsung range model NE59R4321SS. We're going to be replacing the small upper burner switch. To get started, pull the correctly marked knob off of the front of the range. There are two screws behind this knob that will need to be unscrewed. Set the screws aside for the replacement switch. On the back of the range, we will remove the cover panel and set it aside. The supply and demand switch and the OEM switch are the exact same, so the wires will be attached to the supply and demand switch connectors in the exact same way that they are removed. However, if you are unfamiliar with or uncomfortable with this type of work, please call a trained service technician to help. Pause here or refer back to this diagram to see how the wires should be plugged in once finished. Once the wires have been attached, slide the new supply and demand switch into place and reattach to the control panel with the same screws. Replace the range knob and put the cover panel back on if finished. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below.